Hello students, in this video we will learn about classification of resources and conservation of resources. Resources are classified into natural resources means प्राकृतिक संसाधन, human made resources means वो संसाधन जिनको कि नेचर से लेकर के ह्यूमन बीइंग ने अपने यूज़फुल बनाया है एंड ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज अबाउट ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज और मानवीय संसाधन. Natural resources. Natural resources are derived from nature. Air, water, sunlight, soil, minerals, natural vegetation and wildlife. All are the example of natural resources. Natural resources are of two types. They are biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources include all living organisms on the earth like flora, fauna and human beings. And abiotic resources are non-living substance like soil, air and sunlight. Actual or developed resources. Actual resources are which have already been developed and which are presently being used. We can learn it by an example. The iron ore and coal deposits in Jharkhand are actual resources. The petroleum deposits in West Asian countries, gold and diamond deposits in South African countries are actual resources. Potential resources, resources which could be used in future ड्यू टू ब्रेक थ्रू इन टेक्नोलॉजी और चेंजिंग सर्कमस्टांसेस. वो रिसोर्सेज जिनका यूज़ अभी पता नहीं है लेकिन टेक्निकल डेवलपमेंट के कारण से आने वाले समय में पता लग सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल बायोफ्यूल, दैट इज़ फ्यूल मेड फ्रॉम लिविंग मैटर लाइक क्रॉप्स ऑफ शुगर केन एंड रेप सीड्स and windmills. Renewable resources. Renewable resources, those that get regenerated or replenished rapidly. Some resources like wildlife and forest and some can be developed and some can be replenished with the help of physical, chemical and mechanical process like soil and water. Non-renewable resources, those resources which cannot be replenished or renewed like metallic minerals like coal. Coal take thousands of years to get naturally replenished, which is several times more than human lifespan. Ubiquitous resources, resources which are found everywhere like air. And localized resources which are unevenly distributed across the world and are only found concentrated in certain region. Copper, iron ore, gold, diamond and silver are some examples. Now let us learn human made resources. Human made resources are those which human create using technology and skills. वो रिसोर्सेज जिन्हें इंसान ने अपनी स्किल, योग्यता और तकनीकी के आधार पर बनाया है. द टेक्नोलॉजी यूज्ड टू मेक रिसोर्सेज इज कॉल्ड ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज. एयरक्राफ्ट्स, मशीनरी, बिल्डिंग्स, रोड्स एंड रेलवे ट्रैक्स आर सम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज. नाउ लेट अस लर्न ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज. ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज कंसिस्ट ऑफ पीपल. हम सभी मानवीय संसाधन हैं. ऑल अदर रिसोर्सेज गेट मीनिंग एंड वैल्यू बेस्ड ऑन द नीड्स एंड रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. जितने भी नेचर में चीज़ें हैं उन सभी की वैल्यू तब है जब हम उन्हें, जो ह्यूमन बींग है वो उन्हें अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग यूज़ करता है. दैट इज़ वाई ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज एंड इट्स प्रॉपर डेवलपमेंट is very important. The creative mind of human and the desire to satisfy their need help them produce different services and products. For example, iron ore was used to build Iron ore is used to build machine. Cotton was spun into yarn and woven into cloth and tailored into outfits. Conserving resources. Conserving resources means संसाधनों का संरक्षण. The population of human in the world is increasing. Human needs are also increasing at a rapid pace. जनसंख्या बढ़ रही है तो जनसंख्या के साथ में हमारी ज़रूरतें भी बढ़ रही है. हर एक इंसान को नेचर से कुछ प्राइमरी ज़रूरतें होती है. ये प्राइमरी नीड्स हैं फूड, क्लॉथ्स, शेल्टर एंड इंडस्ट्रियल नीड्स. So it is very necessary for all of us to conserve the resources and use them very carefully, give them time to reproduce. Our only sustainable development will ensure the well-being of future generation. What is the meaning of sustainable development? Sustainable development means the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. मतलब संसाधनों को इस तरह से काम में लेना कि आने वाली पीढ़ियों को उन संसाधनों के लिए नहीं परेशान होना पड़े. The careful and prudent utilization of resources which future needs in mind and preventing the depletion of the same by giving time for it to regenerate or get renewed is called conservation of resources. We can conserve the resources by golden 4 R's. They are reduce, reuse, recycle and refuse. How can we refuse? By making shopping bags using newspaper, by closing taps when not in use and by using a bucket to bath instead of using the shower, by planting saplings on our birthday and other important occasions, by switching off lights and fans when not needed both at home and school. Thank you. Have a nice day.